Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, there lived an old man named Samuel. Samuel was 80 years old. He lived all alone in a tiny wooden house. Every single morning, Samuel walked to the local train station. He carried a small bag and wore a clean, old coat. He always sat on the same wooden bench at the end of the platform. In his hand, Samuel always held a beautiful golden watch. It was very shiny. He spent hours looking at the watch, but he never got on a train. People in the village were curious. One rainy afternoon, a young man named Leo sat next to Samuel. Leo looked very stressed. He was looking at his phone constantly. Samuel looked at Leo and smiled kindly. Samuel asked, "My son, why are you in such a hurry?" Leo replied, "I am late for everything. Life is moving too fast, and I am losing my time." Samuel slowly opened his golden watch. Samuel said, "This watch does not tell me the time. It reminds me that time is a gift. I come here to watch the trains go by to remember that life goes on, no matter what happens." Leo realized that he was so busy running that he forgot to live. Samuel gave Leo a small smile and said, "Don't just count the minutes. Make the minutes count." Leo felt a deep peace in his heart.